Are you a product manager with too much on your plate? I've been there and I know how it feels. I'm going to walk you through the 5 tasks where AI reliably takes work off your hands and gives you time back without lowering the quality of your work. First, you need to capture meetings, decisions, and follow-ups automatically. Let AI record, transcribe, and condense every discussion into a short summary with decisions, owners, due dates, risks, and open questions. AI can draft the follow-up notes, it can ping owners with their actions, and it can set reminders. You can finally stop being the scribe while still being the decision maker. Second, you can use AI to draft and reshape product documents. Just give AI the raw inputs you already have, your notes, your technical specs, comments from colleagues, and have it produce a first pass of the document you need. It can be a brief, a PRD, a test plan outline, a customer-facing announcement. Then ask AI to rewrite the same content for different audiences. You know that executives focus on impact and risk. Engineering just wants scope and edge cases. Customers want what changed and why it matters. You can then edit the first draft for truth and tone instead of starting from zero. Third, AI will help you keep the backlog clean and actionable. Let AI scan issues, ideas, support tickets, and deduplicate by theme. It can tag by components, and it can propose next steps. It can turn a vague "we should improve onboarding" feature into clear, small units of work with draft acceptance criteria. AI can also flag items that have no owner or no measurable outcome. You still decide the priority, but the tedious grooming happens in the background. This pulls hours out of weekly triage and stops stale work from clogging your pipeline. Fourth, AI can generate a narrative from your analytics and catch anomalies early. Point AI at your core metrics and dashboards. It can produce a weekly one-pager that says what moved, what likely caused it, what is noise and what isn't, and what to investigate next. You can also get lightweight anomaly alerts that are written in plain language and include a first hypothesis. This means fewer ad hoc "can someone pull numbers" requests, faster insights for leadership, and earlier detection of issues before they become outages or churn. Lastly, AI can help you automate status and release communication. Release day shouldn't mean a day of writing. AI can turn commit messages, tickets, merge specifications into crisp internal status notes, customer-facing change logs, help center drafts, or in-app tooltips. It can also assemble a monthly roadmap update from your sprint notes and link those back to your OKRs. Let's finish off with a few ground rules to keep the quality high. Keep private data private. Remove any sensitive information before you feed it to AI. Keep a link back to sources for every claim so you can trace it back later. Don't accept numbers you didn't supply. And remember the division of labor. AI drafts and organizes, but you, the PM, verify, decide, and own the outcome. What changes for you is clear. Fewer hours lost to note-taking, fewer blank pages slowing you down, and a backlog that's ready when you are. Thank you very much for listening till the end. If you want more tips on how to be a better product manager, come back to my channel, and like always, like and subscribe.